Saving money might actually be making you poorer. Sounds wrong, right? You work, you earn, you save, and yet somehow, over time, your money feels like it's worth less. That's not your imagination. It's something called inflation. And once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Let's break it down as simply as possible. Inflation means that prices go up over time. That's it. The same things you buy today, food, rent, clothes, will cost more in the future. For example, if a coffee costs €2 today and inflation is 3% per year, next year, that same coffee might cost €2.06. Doesn't sound like much, right? But here's the problem. Your money doesn't automatically grow with those prices. So even if you still have the same €100 in your bank account, that €100 buys you less than it did before. This is where a key concept comes in: purchasing power. Purchasing power simply means how much your money can actually buy, and inflation slowly destroys it. Let's say you save €10,000 and keep it in a bank account for years. If inflation averages 3%, after 10 years, your money hasn't disappeared, but it might only buy what €7,400 used to buy today. Same number, less value. That's the silent effect of inflation. So why does inflation happen in the first place? There are a few reasons, but here's the simple version. More money in the system. When more money is printed or circulating, each unit becomes less valuable. Higher demand. If more people want the same product, prices go up. Higher costs. If companies pay more for materials or salaries, they increase prices. So inflation isn't random. It's built into how the economy works. Now, here's the part most people don't realize. If your money is just sitting in a bank account, it's losing value every year. Let's say your bank gives you 1% interest, but inflation is 3%. You're effectively losing 2% per year. And the worst part? You don't see it happening. Your balance might look the same or even slightly higher, but what it can buy is shrinking. That's why people say saving alone is not enough. So what's the solution? You don't stop saving, but you also don't stop there. You make your money work for you. That's where things like investing come in, because instead of your money sitting still, it has a chance to grow faster than inflation. Even simple steps like learning where to put your money can make a huge difference over time. So remember this: inflation doesn't take your money all at once. It slowly reduces its power year after year. And once you understand that, you stop just saving money and start growing it.